In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements on Wix, a useful skill that can enhance the functionality and appearance of your website. Managing the visibility of different elements on your page not only optimizes user experience, but also keeps your mobile site design crisp and clean. Let's dive in and learn this process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to your website's editor. This is where you can modify and design all aspects of your site. Once you're in the Wix website editor, you'll find yourself presented with the desktop version of your site. This is the default view, providing you with a comprehensive framework to make changes. However, our task today focuses on the mobile view, as this is often where you might want to hide certain elements that are necessary on the desktop, but redundant or visually unappealing on a smaller screen. Now, to switch to the mobile version, look at the upper left-hand corner of the editor page. Here, you'll spot a toggle or a button, typically labeled Switch to Mobile, or represented by a small phone icon. Click on this control and watch as your site layout transitions to reflect what it would look like on a smartphone. This mobile view lets you tailor your site specifically for mobile devices, ensuring that users enjoy seamless browsing no matter how they access your content. Once you're in mobile view, begin by selecting the element you wish to hide. This could be anything from a text box to an image or a button. Click on the element and you'll see a menu appear. This menu provides options to modify or manipulate the chosen item. Ensure that the element is highlighted so that any changes you make apply specifically to it. After selecting the element, we're ready for the final step, hiding it. Right-click on the element and among the options that appear, look for one that says Hide. Click on this and watch as the element disappears from your current view. Don't worry, it's not deleted. The element is merely hidden from the mobile site view. You can always bring it back by selecting Unhide from the same menu should you decide the element is necessary again. By following these simple steps, you can effectively remove clutter and maintain a sleek mobile presentation. Remember, keeping your mobile site organized not only improves the aesthetic, but also enhances user engagement and loading times. Feel free to practice with various elements until you achieve the perfect balance for your site design. And that's how you hide elements on Wix. With these skills, you're better equipped to create a visually appealing and functional website, catering to users on both desktop and mobile platforms. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!